Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Botany. In this episode I am going to discuss on freshwater biome. The freshwater is a vital resource for all life on earth and it has played a significant role in shaping our planet's geological history. Lakes and ponds are the standing water bodies that can vary greatly in size and depth. The rivers and the streams are the flowing water bodies that can be found in variety of landscapes, whereas wetlands are characterized by saturated soil and standing water. Industrial pollution, agricultural runoff, and municipal waste have contaminated many freshwater resources. The excessive withdrawal of fresh water from aquifers and rivers for irrigation, industrial use, and domestic consumption can lead to water scarcity and depletion. Human induced climate change impacted on the freshwater resources, leading to more frequent and severe droughts, floods, and water quality issues. Freshwater biomes are composed of lakes, rivers, streams, ponds, and wetlands. These biomes cover a relatively small portion of Earth's surface but play a vital role in planet's ecosystem. Freshwater biomes are found inland, that is within the boundaries of land masses. They are distinct from the saltwater biomes like oceans and seas, which have higher concentration of salt. Major types of freshwater ecosystems include lentic and lotic types. The lentic ecosystems are the standing water bodies. The lakes are the large bodies of water surrounded by land. They can vary greatly in size and depth and nutrient content. But ponds are smaller water bodies that can often shallow than the lake. The wetlands are the areas where the soil is saturated with the water for part or all of the year. They include marshes, swamps, and bogs. The lotic ecosystems are flowing water bodies. Rivers are the large and natural flowing bodies of water that typically originate in the mountains and flow to the sea. Streams are the smaller natural flowing bodies of water that often feed into rivers. Lakes are large bodies of standing water surrounded by land. They come in various size, depth, and shapes and are found in many parts of the world. Lakes play a crucial role in Earth's hydrological cycle. The key characteristic features of the lakes are they have low salt concentration when compared to the oceans or seas. Unlike rivers or streams, lakes have relatively still water. They show diverse habitats, that is from shallow shores to deep dark depths. The varying amounts of nutrients affect the productivity of the aquatic life. Lakes can be shallow or deep, affecting the types of the plants and animals that can live there. The lakes can be round, oval, or irregular in shape. The lake temperature can vary depending on the climate, depth, and season. Lakes support diverse range of aquatic plants and animals like fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and invertebrates. The productivity of the lake refers to its ability to produce organic matter through photosynthesis. This is influenced by the factors such as nutrient availability and light penetration. Water quality in the lakes is influenced by the factors such as pollution, nutrient levels, and oxygen content. The lakes can accumulate sediment over time, which can affect their depth and water quality. The lakes can be divided into different zones based on depth, light penetration, and distance from the shore. The different zones in a lake consist of Littoral Zone, Limnetic Zone, Profundal Zone, and Benthic Zone. Littoral Zone is a shallow area near the shore rich in plant life and diverse organisms. Limnetic Zone is an open water area where sunlight penetrates, supporting plankton and fish. The Profundal Zone has deep, dark area below the Limnetic Zone with lower oxygen levels and few organisms. The Benthic Zone is the bottom of the lake inhabited by sediment dwelling organisms. Lakes play a vital role in Earth's ecosystem and provide numerous benefits. They support a diverse range of aquatic plants and animals like fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and invertebrates. Lakes are the valuable source of fresh water for drinking, irrigation, and industrial use. Lakes are the popular destinations for recreational activities like fishing, boating, swimming, and camping. They can help to regulate local and regional climate. The threat to the lakes includes the industrial, agricultural, and municipal waste pollution that can contaminate the lakes, harming the aquatic life and making the water unsafe for human use. The excessive nutrient pollution can lead to the algal blooms and oxygen depletion in the lakes and is called as eutrophication. The climate change can affect the lake levels, water quality, and the distribution of aquatic species. Overfishing and excessive water extraction can harm the lake ecosystems. Ponds are smaller bodies of standing water that are often shallower than the lakes. They can be natural or man-made and are found in variety of landscapes. They play a crucial role in providing habitat for the diverse range of aquatic plants and animals. Some of the key characteristic features of the ponds are, when compared to the lakes, ponds are generally smaller and shallower. This allows the sunlight to penetrate to the bottom, supporting aquatic plants. Ponds have calm, still water which can be beneficial for certain aquatic organisms. Ponds can have variety of habitats including emergent plants, submergent plants, and open water areas. Despite their small size, ponds play a crucial role in the environment. They provide habitat for a diverse range of aquatic plants and animals. Ponds can be a source of food for larger animals. Ponds can help to filter pollutants from water, improving the water quality. They can absorb excess of water during heavy rainfall. They provide opportunities for fishing, bird watching, and nature study. Some of the plants and animals in a pond ecosystem includes algae, floating plants, submerged plants, emergent plants. The animals like invertebrates and vertebrates. A wetland is an area where land is saturated with water either permanently or seasonally. They are characterized by their unique vegetation which is adapted to live in waterlogged conditions. The wetlands are called as the nature's water filters because the slow moving water allows more time for natural processes to occur. The sediment trapping, that is, the vegetation in the wetland traps sediments and other particles, preventing them from entering downstream waterways. The plants absorb nutrients, reducing nutrient pollution. The microbes break down organic matter and improving the water quality. They act as natural barriers, preventing pollutants from entering the waterways from upstream sources. Wetlands can be classified into three main types, that is marshes, swamps, and bogs. Marshes are grassy wetlands often found near the rivers or lakes. Marshes are dominated by herbaceous plants like grasses, reeds, and sedges which grow in waterlogged but rich soil deposited by rivers. Swamps are dominated by woody plants like trees and shrubs. They are often found in the forested areas. Wetland trees are adapted to the waterlogged conditions. They are the transition zones because of both land and water. The bogs are the wetlands characterized by acidic water and peat formation. They develop in depressions where water flow is low or non existent. Bogs usually occur in areas where there is clay bottom with poor percolation. Importance of wetlands. The wetlands provide habitat for a wide variety of plants and animals, including endangered species. It includes grasses, reeds, shrubs, and trees depending on the wetland type. The wetlands are home to a variety of birds, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, and aquatic life. The wetlands act as a natural filter, removing pollutants from water. The wetlands can help to absorb excess of water during heavy rainfall, reducing the risk of flooding. They play a role in regulating the local and regional climates. Wetlands can store large amount of carbon, helping to mitigate climate change. They offer opportunities for fishing, bird watching, and nature study. A river is a dynamic environment where water flows continuously from higher to the lower elevations. This constant movement shapes the physical and biological characteristics of the river. They play a crucial role in Earth's hydrological cycle, shaping the landscapes, supporting biodiversity, and providing water for drinking, irrigation, and other purposes. The key characteristics features of the rivers are: the defining feature of the river is influencing the riverbed, water temperature, and dissolved oxygen levels. The widening or curved path that may river follow often results from the erosion and deposition. The slope of the riverbed affects water velocity and the types of the organisms present. The amount of suspended particles in the water influence the water clarity and habitat conditions. The water temperature varies with location, season, and depth, affecting the metabolic rates of the organisms. The dissolved oxygen levels fluctuate based on the water temperature, flow rate, and biological activity. The importance of the rivers. The rivers are the major source of fresh water for human consumption, agriculture, and industry. Rivers have been used for transportation for centuries, and they continue to play an important role in commerce and trade. The energy of flowing waters can be harnessed to generate electricity. Rivers support a diverse range of aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems, providing habitat for a variety of plant and animal species. The rivers play a crucial role in shaping the landscape through erosion and sediment transport. Now, the challenges and threats to the freshwater biomes. Pollution by industries, agriculture, and municipal waste can contaminate fresh water, harming the aquatic life and making the water unsafe for human consumption. The deforestation, urbanization, dam construction, etc., can lead to the habitat loss and aquatic organisms and disrupt the natural flow of water. The excessive nutrient pollution can lead to algal blooms, that is eutrophication, and the depletion in oxygen levels. The climate change can affect the water levels, water quality, and the distribution of aquatic species. Overfishing, excessive water extraction can harm these ecosystems. Non-native species can disrupt the delicate balance of freshwater ecosystems. Freshwater conservation is a critical issue facing many parts of the world. As the population growth and industrialization increase, the demand for the freshwater resources continue to rise, leading to concerns about the water scarcity and pollution. Here are some examples of freshwater conservation efforts being implemented globally. The technological innovations includes desalination, that is converting seawater into fresh water through processes like reverse osmosis or distillation. Water treatment technologies like advanced wastewater treatment and reuse technologies to reduce the water consumption and pollution. implementation of efficient irrigation systems like drip irrigation and sprinkler systems, the developing equitable water allocation policies to ensure fair distribution among the different users, enforcing strict environmental regulations to protect water quality and prevent pollution. The community based initiatives like collecting rainwater for domestic use and gardening, public awareness campaign to promote water saving practices involving local communities in water management decisions, the international cooperation like transboundary water management, that is collaborating with neighboring countries to manage share water resources, the sustainable development goals, that is promoting SDG 6, which aims to ensure the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all.